All right, ladies and gents, let's get right to it. By the way, you see the numbers, man. We have been having a ridiculously crazy trading weeks of success, and I'm very happy about that. Even with all the chaos going on in the world and so forth. All right, so let's get to it. AUD, I'm going to be looking at the AUD, and according to this, it looks like it might be at a very strong support level for a buy opportunity. So I might be looking to go long on AUD NZD. However, many of you know I'm not a big fan of it, but we'll see how that goes. Now, this one here may push up higher a little bit first for the beginning of the week, because that's just what the market does. But I have my eye for sales on AUD USD. That is on the radar for sales. And let's check something else. Nothing there. Possible pullback on AUD CAD. These I'm not liking the JPYs. They have massive drop moves out of the blue, so not a big fan of those. Still looking. All right, this is going to be another one that I think is going to push back up AUD USD. I think it's going to push back up to the top first and retreat back into this level right here. If it does into the 1500 727 or above level, I'm looking to go short on that one. So we were in a short on this one, but I took the profit because normally what happens is the market tends to continue in the overall trend. Right now the overall trend is upwards, and so I'm pretty sure it's going to do a retest, so that's why we closed out and just took a few pips off of that one this week for the close of the week. That's just the nature of the markets. That's how they act on Sundays and Mondays. All right. That one is flat right here. You can see consolidation, so there's really nothing to look for on that. So far, AUD, USD, and Euro USD is going to be my targets. Give me a second. Let me see if there's anything else that I can find. Nothing yet. Now, this one was creating a unique double bottom kind of situation, but again, see how it's right here being supported on the rail of the daily as well. But again, we took a few pips off of this because it started going chop chop. You can see this little sideways action. So when we was up a few pips, I just closed it out for a win. But I'm going to have my eye on it for this week to see what it does, whether it's going to remain supportive of this trend line right here on the daily or whether it's not. GBP, USD, I think it's going to push higher first. Yeah, I'm looking to go long if I was to get into this one, but you will see. Yeah, but longs would be my choice until it comes back up into this zone, which is the 1.3500 or whatever it is. 1.3550 level or something like that. Whatever level that is. Yeah, 500. If it gets back up into that box, I'm looking to go long. By the way, if you're in the EasyMT5 group, I am working on some new indicators that's going to be rolling out for you guys. That's going to be very powerful. So be on the lookout for that. I'll tell you guys when they're ready. Okay. Nothing there. I see this double top, but again, guys, one of the biggest things you have to understand is how does the market move on Sundays and Mondays? And typically, it's going to continue in the overall trend. So if you don't know the trend, you can check it on the 4-hour or the daily. Currently, it is in the uptrend clearly. So until it shows really, really good resistance, it may even break through here and push a little bit higher because that's what the markets do on Sundays and Mondays, which is why I'm not a reversal trader on Sundays and Mondays, because they always follow the trend. Okay. Now this one could be a head and shoulders pattern. You can see it was here at this support level, dropped down very, very hard due to NFP news. And then this one could climb back up. So I'm looking to go long or as a buyer for NZD USD. And on the daily, you can see it's at the 38.2 Fibonacci level, just a little bit below. But I do think that this one probably is going to gap its way right back up. So I'm going to be looking to go long on USD CAD. And this one here I'm not touching with a 10-foot pole. And then gold, for those who like to trade gold, which we've been smacking gold markets around, as you can see. This thing shot up. It was expected to go up anyway from the daily time frame. You can see this chop, 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 and then it broke out of this channel. So this could push up even further and higher up to the 38.2 Fibonacci level on the daily. But could it do a pullback first? Yeah, absolutely. It could do a pullback first and then possibly go higher. No telling what that's going to do. All right. So anyway, that's the markups for this week. Let's get to some other things that you could do. If you want the trading systems that I'm using, you can sign up for easymt5.com. And again, we got more trading systems on the way. I'm working on them behind the scenes, and once they are released, you're going to be receiving them right into your back office. So thank you very much for everybody who's a part of this group. You're going to be excited about the new ones that are coming out. Very powerful tools just coming out in your back office. Okay. If you want to be copied on our trades, then go right here to our supereasycopycat.com, and you can get copied on our trades. Here's to play this little video, see how the software works. And when I take a trade or my team takes a trade, they'll just copy onto your trading platform. When we close it out, it'll close out on yours. If we close out half, it'll close out half on yours. So whatever we're doing on ours, you'll be copied also. And like I said, you see we have insane results last week and also the week prior to that. So get excited, all right? And if you want to trade, if you want my trade alerts for the futures market, then you sign up for the Asian session. If you want to trade live with Miss Jenny, then you sign up for the New York session and you go to futurix.com. It does come with a free indicator, so play this video and you'll see exactly how this indicator works. But yes, it does come with your membership, okay? So again, we have various different tools available for all of our traders, whether you want to be copied on our trades, get education, or whether you just say, hey, I don't want to be trading at all anymore. Let me get copied from you guys. Or if you just want trade alerts for the futures market, or you just want good trading tools, totally up to you. So we got everything available for you guys. Okay. One of the other things that I'm doing, which I'll show you. Well, I won't show you my personal account, but this is a Hola Prime account, Forex. And I'm going small on it just to pass the challenge, and I got a 50K with them. And what I did was I used Traders Connect, and with Traders Connect you can actually connect your accounts from MT4 to Trade Locker, which is what they have. They have me using Trade Locker, right? So with my Trade Locker account, I connect my MT4. So basically, when we're taking trades on the copier and it's getting copied onto my MT4 account, it's also being copied onto my Trade Locker account to help me pass prop firm challenges for the Forex market. So just a little tip about that. So yes, I do use Traders Connect for that. Very smooth, very easy to use, very easy to set up, and very inexpensive. Okay. So just want to give a plug there. Don't work for them. I don't really, I don't get any whatever from them. It's just telling you what I'm doing so that I can streamline everything and make it so much easier. One trade goes to the copier, to you guys who are in the copycat, and it also hits into my Trade Locker accounts. So if you sign up for Trade Locker, if you sign up for a prop firm for Forex, and they have all these different kinds of platforms that they offer whatever, then basically that's how you do it. Okay, that's basically how you do it. Okay, so just sign up for them with them. That's a separate company, and do what you do. Okay. All right, you guys. Hopefully this video helped, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace and hair grease. Thank you very much.